Another day, another slice of facility finesse. Today's mission, taming the turf with our portable battery-powered grass trimmer. No fuel, no fuss, just clean cuts and quiet confidence. Let's roll into action and turn this overgrown patch into a trimmed masterpiece. Task of the day, precision grass cutting using our trusty portable battery-powered trimmer. Watch as we tackle overgrowth with finesse, no cords, no noise, just clean cuts and smooth edges. From wild patches to walkway borders, this lightweight beast gets the job done with zero hassle and full control. Safety gear on, blade spinning, and the team in sync. This is how we turn routine maintenance into a satisfying slice of productivity. Stay tuned for tips, tricks, and a few unexpected laughs along the way. Let's trim it down and power it up. Welcome to Bigfoot's Grip and Lighting section, where practical know-how meets dedication. We aren't experts, but we understand what needs to be done to keep our grip and lighting equipment performing at its best. Through consistent maintenance and hands-on care, we ensure everything is ready for your production needs. Follow our journey as we tackle routine tasks with precision and keep things running smoothly. Like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with our simple but effective maintenance practices.